The earthquake had an enormous impact on the school. A 5-year-old child, 2 mothers, 2 grandmothers and 2 grandfathers were killed. In a school of 220 pupils, 117 homes were destroyed.
The houses to the east started falling to the ground. There was dust everywhere. At the time, we were all thinking that the end was nigh.
Through this hole in the wall, people Raj Subedi, a former pupil at the school, currently lives with his family. Since leaving school, people has been training to be a priest. Seeing the warm, welcoming smile on their faces, it's difficult to comprehend that they have lost all their material wealth. People, this is where you used to live. This is where your home used to be. Give us an idea of what happened on that day.
On the quake day, I was here, and the quake began, and I saw my building shaking, and after that this part of the building fell down, and I rushed into the building. My mom was in the first floor, my brother was in second floor, and my sister was on fourth floor. I was helpless, and I went outside, and I shouted for help with my neighbors, and they brought a ladder, and we brought my family out.
And your brother is disabled. You had to carry him?
Yeah, people helped me, him to come down.
So this is where your home used to be. Where are you living now?
We are living in our neighbor's house. They are being kind to us.
Yeah. People considers himself lucky, but there's much more to this story than just the strength of the earthquake. $700 is the average wage here. No money to buy the appropriate bricks and cement, and no chance of hiring experienced builders and architects. The result is inevitable. Jyoti was born in Aberystwyth but moved to Kathmandu 6 years ago. She lost her home, and the wider effects of the earthquake has put pressure on her jewellery business.
Business has been badly hit since the first earthquake. Apart from agriculture, tourism is the most important industry in Nepal. After the earthquake, 90% of bookings were cancelled straight away. The hotels were empty, shops were closed, everything just stopped.
Areas of Bhaktapur are of such historical importance that the city is listed as an UNESCO World Heritage Site. A third of the buildings have been destroyed, but many still stand, and how wonderful to see the children dancing in the shadow of one of these unique structures. Under the wing of Kapil and the other teachers at Rising School, the pupils receive support and guidance. But many other children are not so lucky, as Sudarshan Shrestha from the charity Save the Children explains.
Yeah, right now the main challenge we face right now is how do you deal with the monsoons? As you can see, people are really living in temporary shelters around here. So how do they deal with the rains that go on for about 3 months? Sanitation, health issues, that will come as the waters get polluted and things like that. One of the major issues that we see is children who've been separated because their parents have passed away. And also there are issues about children being trafficked from the places that have been affected because they've really lost that cushion that they have, the security that they had.
The future for the people of Nepal may be fragile, full of massive challenges as big as the country's mountains. But Kapil and Jyoti are both positive as they look forward.
There are so many places that were unaffected by the earthquake. The monument sites have reopened. There is still so much to see and so much to do here. If tourists returned, it would give everybody more hope and create work generating income. So, my message is come here, come in great numbers.
Nation चाहिँ यो जुन
In a country that has been decimated, it's strange to say, but we can learn from the experience, and by working together, we can look forward to the future.
हामीलाई पर्ने पनि छौं यति भने धन्यवाद।
Namaste!